Hello, everybody. How are you? I feel excited because we are finished talking about meal times and the time. Now we get to talk about wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live outside in the jungle or in the forest. Wild animals are not usually pets. For example, a dog or a cat are not wild animals. Instead, wild animals are more exotic, such as an elephant or a lion. What's your favorite wild animal? In your English notebook, please write 4 things. Number 1, today is. What day is today? Please write it in your notebook. Number 2, what's the weather like outside? Is it sunny, windy, rainy? Please write the weather. Number 3, how are you? How do you feel? Please write I feel in your notebook. And number 4, please write your favorite animal. My favorite animal is. Good job. Write it in your notebook. Next, please write 1 sentence describing your animal. How many legs has your animal got? What color is your favorite animal? After you've finished, there's a new YouTube video for you to watch. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. See you next time.